The last thing for today, you can now stay here and talk to our experts. The next point on the agenda will be 6:30, the opening of the BMW Motorrad Welt. So please go there at 6:30 and until then.
Yeah, we got the electrical window. So this is the green one. You have the option 719. They can be totally specced out. A lot of applause going on here. Optional Akrapovic. Golden wheels. A little bit of detail here. Look at that. That is nice. Double standard. And the light that everybody has been talking about. The cross. Not gonna lie, this is a very, very good looking motorcycle. Oh yeah. We'll be talking to the expert in a couple of minutes. Of course, we have the trophy version over here. R1300. Absolutely stunning motorcycle. Look at that, the knobby tires. The cross again looks really, really cool. Maybe we can put on the spots in a second. The big lights. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh yeah. Just put on the. Sorry. I've just blinded everybody. I'm really sorry. I blinded a couple people by turning on the spots. Sorry about that. Oh. Not sure if I can still turn it off. Okay. Somebody will probably do it for me. Anyway. That front is looking really, 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 really cool. So this is the blue trophy version with the Akrapovic. Look at that, absolutely stunning. And then over here we have the traditional triple black version. As you guys know, everything is blacked out with the matte. Again, the new light. A lot of people have been hating on that light, but I actually kind of like it. Again, the buttons. You put up the screen, put down the screen. How much horsepower does it have now?
45.
145. Oh, awesome. So with the new 1300 GS, it has 145 horsepower. And the torque? What's the torque?
149.
149 newton meters of torque. 6,500 RPM. Awesome. Thank you. So we got 143 newton meters on 145 horsepower. Oh yeah. Can't wait to drive this one. Look at that. So nice. Very cool. Make sure you like, subscribe, and of course, I will be riding this motorcycle very soon.